How to make a video collage on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, open your Instagram app, get logged into your account, and let's go ahead and tap on the plus button at the below page. Once you do so, go ahead and tap on this reel button and tap on camera. Once done, it'll open up your camera. Make sure that you are on reel tab, and you will see a layout button on your right hand side. Tap onto it and it will give you various video layout. Simply tap on any one of them. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this 3 ones. As you can see that the first area is not shaded, meaning I have to take a video. Let's go ahead and do that. And now the first reel has been created. Let's go ahead and move on to our second reel. Once done, let's go ahead and click third reel. These are the 3 layouts of reel. Once you're satisfied, tap on this check icon. And just like so, tap on next. If you would like to undo your action, you can go ahead and tap on undo and repeat the process again. Once done, tap on next again. And likewise, type in your caption and then tap share. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.